Hey everybody, my name is Kyle Dermay and I'm the Hitch and Towing Accessories Program Manager here at U-Haul. The U-Haul Hitch Ball System offers our customers an exclusive proprietary design, giving our customers the safest, most secure towing experience, and has the highest weight capacities in their class. Let's break down how those go together. In this video, we are going to install part number 4944 on ball mount 13111. The U-Haul Hitch Ball System can safely be installed on any of our U-Haul ball mount products in the rise or drop position. We recommend the following tools for this installation using an electric or air impact wrench: a large crescent wrench, an 1 1/4" socket with a 1/2 inch drive, an 1 5/8" socket with a 3/4 inch drive, and then a 1/2 to 3/4 inch adapter for our larger hitch balls. The following tools can be used without an impact wrench: the hitch ball installation wrench, a large crescent wrench, and a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch breaker bar. Our full line of 1 7/8", 2 inch, and 2 5/16" hitch balls offer exclusive safety and design features that our customers cannot get anywhere else. Let's look at those 6 components that make our products stand out. The hitch ball. They are the highest ratings for their class and size. The 1 7/8" is rated at 5,000 pounds. The 2 inch is rated at 7,500 pounds, and our 2 5/16" is rated at 10,000 pounds. Made from 4140 low alloy steel, which is known for its toughness, high fatigue strength, and high torsional strength. Cold forged, which helps retain the original grain structure of the steel. Threads are rolled, not cut. This process significantly reduces the likelihood of premature failure due to stress. Up next, our clamp force system, with our hardened steel flat washer, which provides a positive clamp force area in place of a lock washer, which can deteriorate over time. Our industry-exclusive clamp force washer, which measures the clamp force exerted between the shank of the hitch ball and the ball nut. And our exclusive ball nut fastens the hitch ball to the ball mount. Our ball nut has a recess for the clamp force washer and is designed to visually demonstrate that the correct torque has been applied during installation. Our anti-seize thread lubricant lubricates the threads and prevents corrosion to the threads of the ball shank and reduces the possibility of rust seizing the ball nut. Our industry-exclusive 1/8 inch cotter pin system. This system prevents the ball nut from completely unthreading and rotating off the ball shank. The cotter pin inserts into the pierced hole in the ball shank and is the final step when installing. Let us go through this installation procedure to show you this process and some of the tools we can use to safely install the new hitch ball. Start by removing the hitch ball from the package. If you flip the package on the backside and peel the label, you'll see that the instructions are available in 3 languages. Inside the package, you'll find a second set of instructions for reinstallation later. Next, make sure the hitch ball threads are clean and free of rust, dirt, or damage. Apply the enclosed anti-seize lubricant in 2 places, being sure to cover 5 to 6 threads in the area the ball nut will be tightened. Place the ball shank through the platform hole on the ball mount and install the hardened flat washer. Install one of the included smart washer into the recess of the ball nut. The flat side of the washer will remain exposed. The second included smart washer is in the event you need to remove the ball and reinstall the ball nut. Thread the ball nut onto the shank. Ensure that the nylon washer is between the ball nut and the hardened flat washer. Tighten snugly by hand. Tighten the ball nut until both sides of the nylon smart washer squeeze out between the hardened steel washer and the ball nut. The nylon pieces should easily fall away with the flick of a finger. Additional tightening may be required until both sides break free. The last and most critical step in the installation is the 1/8 inch diameter cotter pin. Insert the cotter pin into the hole and spread the pins away from each other. Note, if the pinhole in the shank does not show completely below the ball nut, the shank is too short for the application. With our patented safety features and utilization of the best materials, the U-Haul Hitch Ball is the customer's best choice. And we have more hitch installing locations than any other competitor. If you'd like to purchase any of the products you've seen here or schedule an installation, please visit us at www.uhaulhitches.com.